Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold trading analysis weekly analysis for your next week gold trading. For last week, my gold trading analysis made massive profit and make good profit with the gold trading. You can join with the Telegram link is below and join with it and get the VIP access and make profit from the gold trading. So let's go to the what is going on next week. I am on a weekly gold chart. You can see this bullish buy candle was created last week. That's the buyers are in strong last week in gold. So 2023 is the last week start price and the Friday sorry 2083 is the in price. That's the $50 gold price increase last week. That's the buyer star is in strong with the bullish control. So that's the $50 increase gold price last week. So that is the strong bias was in happening in last week. So I'm in a weekly chart gold. So now price is in 2083 level. That's a strong resistance level with the technically approach. I am in a weekly chart. You can see that this point, this is the 2088 is the strong resistance levels in the gold trading. So technically approach. So this is the point last week, last year December price has reached 2088. That was happened. Israel Palestine war was continuing and the safe haven asset demand as the goal. So now price has again reached the 2088 level. So last that is the strong resistance level with the technical. So you can see the last Friday with the economic data which are not positive. US dollar ISM manufacturing PMI dropped to the 47 and the US consumers confidence consumer sentiment has dropped and the ISM manufacturing prices also dropped. That's the negative effect for US dollar and the gold demand last Friday to the 2088 level. So what is the next week important economic events you should touch with the this days are next Friday non-farm employment data is there 215k is the previous Fed American Central Bank expect the 190k drop to the non-farm employment change and unemployment rate 3.7 and the average hourly earnings 0.6%. Fed expect to drop to 0.2%. So labor data figures are there. You should touch with the US dollar this economic data if you are trading gold. So these economic events in next Friday that you should touch with what is the going on, what is the actual data. So let's go to the what is the technically analysis. So again I am go to the Fed watch tool website. That this is the interesting is there what is going with the interest rate 5.5 is the current rate. I am in a June FOMC meeting. You can see the 55% forecast to the interest rate post interest rate cutoff 25 bps. That's the interesting things. So interest rate cutoff will be coming soon. That will affect to the dollar sell off and gold demand. So I am always touch with Fed watch tool website with the interest rate. So let's go to the technically what is going on technically analysis gold next week. I am going to the daily chart. You can see that this trend line last week video I was mentioned this trend line breakout to the upside, that is the bullish goal. So you can see that since this trend line several times touch and last week was break to the upside, that is bullish goal. So I'm expecting some retestment next week and again to the bullish control bias control and 2100 is that my next level target. So touch with the economic data actual data and the interest rate price forecast, and you also touch with the US dollar. So I am hoping next week some retracement to the downside. I am using Fibonacci. What is the this movement, this bullish movement, what is the retracement levels. So I'm expecting 0.786 level is the 2060 level. So I'm expecting price retracement some level and again going to upside. So that is my one option. And then 0.618, this is the 0.6786 level, and the 0.618 level is there, and this left side resistance is also there. You should touch with this resistance, could be supported in right side. So 0.618 level is the 2050 level, and some retracement to 2060-50 level, and again going to the upside. So that is my forecast. Next week you can join with my telegram link, accurate goal signals with analysis. So get the trade from the smaller time frame information. So risk management is the key for trading, money management is the key for trading. So thank you very much.